Hello and welcome in this video for this exercise to get ready for the SAT. And this exercise is this one. You want to calculate cubic root of x over square root of square root of square root of x. So if you want to give a try, please pause the video. Otherwise, let's see the solution. So we are going to focus on the denominator first. We know that square root of a can be written as a power 1 over 2. So if we apply this to the denominator, we will get square root of x power 1 over 2. This is square root of x power 1 over 2 power 1 over 2. And now, thanks to this power rule, a power m, this is a power m times m. So if you multiply 1 over 2 times 1 over 2, you will obtain 1/4. So in this exercise now, you've got square root of x power 1/4. This is x power 1/4 power 1/2. So if you multiply 1/2 by 1/4, you will get x power 1 over 8. And that's it for the denominator. So now let's talk about the numerator. So this is a cubic root. Every time we've got cubic root of a, we can write down this is a power 1 over 3. So if you apply this to this exercise, the denominator could be written as x power 1 over 3. So now, if you calculate, you will get x power 1 over 3 divided by x power 1 over 8. And now, if you apply this power rule, every time you divide two numbers with the same base and the powers are different, you need to subtract the power. So you will get x power of 1 over 3 minus 1 over 8. Well, to get the same denominator now, you end up with x power 8 minus 3 over 24. So this is x power 5 over 24. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope to see you in the next video.